I thought we would take a look at how my garden has grown in the past 50 days. If you'll remember, I had just planted some lettuce, and this bucket here now has a volunteer tomato plant and pepper plant coming out of it, along with my lettuce. The kale has continued to fill in. The tomatoes that I had planted back in September that just had some flowers and were getting going now have some lovely tomatoes all over them. In fact, this one's so big and beginning to turn red that it was time to put it in a bag and protect it from the critters. The tomatoes that I had began to plant in January were the Cherokee tomatoes, and this is what they looked like then, and this is what they look like now. Very happy with the growth on these. These stems are huge and thick. I've got lots of flowers and some tomatoes starting. We had just started some potatoes last time, and now I actually have some very lovely plants, and they've already begun to flower. The carrots have continued to fill in. And here we had planted some oregano. It is finally starting to pop up, along with another volunteer tomato plant and some new sugar peas that I have planted in all of the buckets that go along this fence. This was the cilantro bucket, and this was the parsley bucket. This is my parsley now. Over here in the pineapple, we now have a pineapple, so that's very exciting. The orchid has finally started to flower on this little one, and looks like these will flower any day now. Some of the new things that popped up are this volunteer Everglades tomato growing out of my compost pile. I started a bok choy from the grocery leftovers and some more carrots here. And I've also started some Roma tomatoes, along with a nice little pot of lettuce. I am Nikki, and this is Nick's Picks. Click here to subscribe. YouTube thinks you'll like this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Make sure to leave a comment, and we'll see you real soon.